is Lori at the National Hardware Show here in Las Vegas, and I'm at the Earthquake booth here. And Graham, you have kind of a weed deal machine here for us.
This is our Earthquake Fields Edge string mower. It's a walk-behind mower. It has really nice, big, high wheels on it, and that gives you the opportunity, or allows you to move the string trimmer fairly easy. It's got a simple engagement on it when it goes, and this works out really, really well. I know a lot of people have riding lawnmowers, and this is the second thing you need behind a riding lawnmower. You can do a lot of your trimming, and then also cut up some bigger areas with that behind a riding lawnmower. And then aside from that, this thing works great for your overgrown kind of brush, I should say, and kind of taller grass that'll take it down. So this is the Fields Edge string trimmer from Earthquake.
And John, to find out more information, where can they go?
You can www.getearthquake.com.
That sounds great, and we'll put the link below.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.